Hello, my name is Sadia. In this presentation, I will discuss how data governance framework are implemented and analyzed. The purpose of this presentation is to explain the concept of data governance, evaluate key governance frameworks, explore industry-specific challenges, and demonstrate how data governance is applied in real organizations. I will also discuss case studies from retail, manufacturing, and healthcare before concluding with key takeaways and recommendations. Data governance and management overview. Data governance refers to the policies, roles, responsibilities, and decision making structure that ensure data is managed as a valuable organizational asset. According to the IBM, data governance ensures that data is accurate, secure, used responsibly, and compliant with regulations. In practice, data governance defines what data means, who owns it, how it can be used, and how its quality is measured. Data management supports governance by handling the technical and operational aspects of data, such as data collection, storage, integration, and protection. Governance defines the rules, while data management ensures those rules are followed. Together, strong governance and management allow organizations to turn raw data into reliable analytics and insights that support effective decision making. Then analytics is also important of data governance. The analytics relies on data quality. If data is inconsistent, incomplete, or inaccurate, analytical output become unreliable and misleading. Data governance improves analytics by ensuring data accuracy, consistency, and clear definitions across system. It also controls access to sensitive data and ensure ethical and lawful use. When governance is in place, decision makers can trust dashboards, reports, and predictive models. This reduces uncertainty, improves efficiency, and supports strategic planning based on evidence rather than assumption. Comparative analysis of governance framework. Several governance framework guide how organizations manage data and IT. This presentation focuses on DAMA, Data Management Association, DMBOK, Data Management Body of Knowledge, COBIT, Control Objectives for Information Technology, and ISO IES 38500, International Organization for Standardization. So DAMA DMBOK treats data as a core organizational asset. It provides detailed guidance on data governance rules, data quality, metadata, and lifecycle management. Its strength lies in its data-centric approach, but it requires specialized expertise and can be complex to implement. COVID, developed by ISACA, focuses on IT governance and control. It separates governance from management and provides detailed controls, metrics, and accountability structures. COVID is effective for organizations with complex IT environment, though it may be challenging for beginners. ISO IS 38500 provides high-level guidance for senior leadership. It focuses on accountability, ethical use of IT and data, and alignment with organizational strategy. However, it lacks operational detail and is often combined with other frameworks. Each framework serves a different purpose, and many organizations adopt a hybrid approach to meet their specific needs. Industries standard challenges and solutions. Different industries faces different challenges when it comes to managing and governing data, mainly because the type of data they handle and the risks involved are not the same. In the retail sector, we can see organizations often deal with large volumes of data coming from sales systems, inventory platforms, marketing tools, and customer datasets. These systems do not always communicate well with each other, which can lead to data silos and inconsistent information. Data governance helps address this by creating common data standards and ensuring compliance with regulations such as GDPR and PCI DSS, particularly when handling customers and payment data. In healthcare, we can see data governance becomes even more critical because patient data is highly sensitive. Common challenges is including from fragmented medical records, unclear access rights, and a high risk of data breaches. So, a strong governance frameworks helps healthcare organization control who can access patients' data, ensures accuracy, and comply with regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and POPIA. This not only supports compliance but also improves patient safety and quality of care. In the manufacturing sector, we can see organization faces challenges related to the quality and reliability of data generated from IoT devices and supply chain systems. Data governance helps ensure that this data is consistent and reliable, which is essential for activities such as predictive maintenance and operational planning. It also supports compliance with the quality and digital standards, including ISO 9001 and Industry 4.0. Although the challenges differ across industries, the core principle of data governance remain the same. Clear ownership, consistent standards, secure access, and compliance are essential in all sectors to support reliable analytics and informed decision making. Real-world case studies helps demonstrate how data governance works in practice and why it is valuable across different industries. Starting with the retail sector, you can see the Ocado retail manages extremely large volumes of customers' product and delivery data on a daily basis. With so many transactions and digital interaction, even small data inconsistencies can affect demand forecasting, stock availability, and customer satisfaction. Ocado addressed this by implementing clear standards for how data is stored, shared, and used across the organization. As a result, data accuracy improved, errors were reduced, and teams were able to rely more confidently on analytics. This supported better demand forecasting, more efficient delivery planning, and stronger compliance with data protection regulations such as GDPR. On the other side, we can see in the manufacturing sector, Unipart Group provides a strong example of how data governance supports operational efficiency. Manufacturing and logistics depend heavily on accurate product inventory and production rate. Unipart adopted agreed data standard and clear governance principle to ensure consistency across its system and supply chain. This improved coordination between teams and external partners, reduced data discrepancies, and increased trust among stakeholders. As a result, operational decisions become more reliable and better aligned with business objectives. In the healthcare sector, EMIS Health delivers digital platform used by GP practice across the UK. This system handles highly sensitive patients' data, making data governance essential. A strong governance framework ensures that patient data is accurate, secure, and only accessible to authorized healthcare professionals. Clear data ownership and access control help reduce errors in patient records and support safe clinical decision making. Governance also improves coordination between healthcare services while maintaining compliance with strict data protection regulations. So overall, these case studies show that although industry differ in their data challenges, effective data governance consistently improve trust in data and analytics. This enables organizations to make better decisions, reduce risk, and operate more efficiently. Key takeaways and recommendations. Several key lessons emerge from this analysis. First, clear data ownership and accountability are essential. Defining roles such as data owners and data stewards improves data quality and reduces confusions. Implement data governance phase properly. Gradually expand data governance practice across the organizations. Organization must ensure trusted and accurate data by applying quality standards and validation rules. Reliable data strengthens analytics and decision making. Then secure access and required permission, protect sensitive data, and ensure compliance with regulations such as GDPR. Most important, compliance with regulations should be embedded into everyday data processes to reduce legal and reputational risk. Finally, continuous improvement and ongoing staff training ensure governance remains effective as technologies, regulations, and business needs evolve. In conclusion, data governance is a strategic necessity rather than a technical option. This leads to better analytics, improved compliance, and stronger decision making. Effective data governance enables organizations to trust their data, reduce risk, and gain long-term competitive advantage in an increasingly data-driven environment. This slide presents an overview of my poster, which brings together the key ideas discussed throughout this presentation into a single visual summary. It starts by explaining the core concept of data governance and its overview in ensuring data quality, security, and compliance. This provides the foundation for understanding why governance is essential for analytics and decision making. Then the middle section of the poster compresses the key governance frameworks, including DAMA, DMBOK, COBIT, and ISO IEC 380-500. This comparison highlights how different frameworks focus on different levels such as data management, IT controls, and leadership responsibility, and why organizations often combine elements from more than one framework. The poster then applies this concept to real industries, including retail, healthcare, and manufacturing. By doing this, it shows how data governance principles remain consistent even though the challenges and regulation vary across sectors. Then finally, the poster highlighting key takeaways and recommendation such as clear data ownership, trusted data, secure access, regulatory compliance, and continuous improvement. These points summarize how effective data governance supports reliable analytics and better decision making. Overall, the poster visually demonstrates how data governance acts as a link between data analytics, compliance, and organization strategy.